What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Kayla DeReese. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's good? So today, guys, as you can see, I have blown out my hair. I'm actually going to be doing a braid out, but I wanted to do it on dry hair. So I went ahead and co-washed my hair, put a few products in, which I will show you in a few minutes. And I'm going to be doing a braid out. And yeah, so today's going to be a quick video because I didn't want to show the actual wash process and all of that good stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. If you haven't done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any weekly uploads. Also give this video a big thumbs up. That helps me out a lot, and we shall begin. All right, guys, so before I actually do my quick little braid out, I just want to go over a couple products. I did not bring the leave-in that I used this time, but I have shown it before. It is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. Then I used the Aunt Jackie's Balance grapeseed and avocado oil. Love this. I try not to use this all the time because I love it and I don't want to run out, and I know that not all of the What is a booty? Know that not all of the beauty supply stores are open yet. So I did use this one today instead of like my castor oil. I then used the 𝙤𝙩 Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructor spray. I used this after I washed my hair before I blow dried it. So I sprayed this just kind of all over. And worked it through, and then I used this. Even though I don't use many Cantu products at all anymore. I do still use their thermal shield every now and then, but I don't ever really blow dry my hair. It's very rare that I even blow dry my hair out. This is my mom's bottle, and she's probably had this for probably a year, to be honest, because no one ever blow dries their hair or even straightens their hair, so we really never put heat on our hair. So those are the products that I used beforehand. I'm actually going to put just a little bit of this. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. It is the I cannot talk today, y'all. What is going on? It is the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream, sorry. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. No sulfates, no mineral oil or silicones in it. And this is, again, Cream of Nature. I'm going to put a little bit of this all over my head. And then as I actually do the braids or plaits, whatever you want to call them, I'm going to be using 𝐴𝐿 gel. This one is probably one of my top 3 𝐴𝐿 gels. This is the Black Seed. I'm done. Video is over because I cannot get my words together. And honestly, I'm probably not gonna edit all of this out because y'all gotta see some of the mess ups. Y'all gotta see the fact that half of the videos I make, if not more, a majority of the footage, I'm like, tripping all over my words. Anyway, this is the black castor oil. Child. Honey, I'm stressed. We about to rock this fro if I can get this out. Okay. Black castor and flaxseed oil 𝐴𝐿 gel. Goodness. You would think I haven't used this for years. I don't know why that just would not come out. Goodness gracious. It contains vitamin E, fiber, and omega-3. This one's probably my top 3, if not my favorite one. I love the coconut oil 𝐴𝐿 gel. Actually, I might just go over all the ones that I like in a separate video, but for today I really did want to use this, especially since I didn't use the black castor oil in my hair, and I used this one instead, the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed and Avocado. So let's just get into this quick little braid out. All right, y'all, so to start, I'm just gonna put some of this twisting cream in my head, but I don't want it to get like soaked. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, gonna rub it in, get it activated, warm it up. Oh, it smells so good. Am I the only one who does that? Do y'all do that? Do y'all just be like smelling y'all's products? I've never used this. Okay, so backstory. I've had this Cream of Nature Pure Honey line stuff. I've had this, and I think maybe like a shampoo or something. I don't know. I haven't even tried that thing yet, but this is my first day actually using this. But I've had it for so long, and I put it away in a drawer. Totally forgot that I had it. Moved to California, left it here in Louisville, and totally forgot that I even had it until I was watching India Treadwell. If you do not follow her, go follow her on Instagram. I will probably tag her Instagram in here. But also, if you're not subscribed to her channel, she has a personal page as well as a sister page with her sister. Show her some love, go follow her. So I was watching one of her videos one day on her sister page, I believe, and on that channel they actually talk about makeup and natural hair and things like that, or just hair in general. And she was talking about, she had brought up this line, the Cream of Nature line, and I was like, oh my gosh, I know for a fact I bought that before. I don't remember if it worked or not, because I don't even remember if I tried it. And then I remembered later on that I did not try it, and I did have it somewhere, but I didn't know where it was. So found it, India, and I'm trying it today. I'm not trying it on my wet hair, which is probably what I should have done if I wanted to get a true, like, you know, give a true review over it. So I'll probably use this for like a twist out or maybe a wash and go or something. But yeah, I found it. Thank you for reminding me, girl, that I even had it. You didn't know that I had purchased it, but watching your video reminded me that I had bought something that I totally forgot about. So shout out to you. Again, y'all go follow India on, or go subscribe to her channel. It is India Treadwell on YouTube, and then her sister page is on YouTube as well, and it's SISTA, SISTA, I believe. I'll link them in the description box down below. Go show them some love. Her and her sister Aisha. Aish Baby is her screen name. Yeah, go show them some love. So y'all know me. Y'all know that a lot of times I be trying to do things like quick and easy. Today I'm going to try and at least, you know, section my hair appropriately-ish. This style cannot take me all day, which I don't think it will. Braid outs do typically take longer than twist outs, just because you want them to get pretty tight, and it's that extra strand. They take me longer. It might not take everybody longer, but they take me a little bit longer. Y'all, my hair, I don't know why I ain't wanting to cooperate today. Probably because I blew it out. If it was wet, it wouldn't feel this thick, but whatever. And y'all, my hair be disrespecting the mess out of me, because in person, my fro be like lit, right? But then I get on camera and my fro looks so raggedy. Like, I don't understand. It is not okay. It is not okay. It is not okay. I am not okay. So pray for me and my fro, y'all, because it's disrespectful. I'll probably either wear a hat or a scarf for the next couple of days, because even though my hair is dry and I don't necessarily need it to dry over the next couple of days, I still want to have the full effect of that crinkly look, that style. So I am actually going to make sure that I leave it, you know, plaited for at least 2 to 3 days. All right, so now I'm just gonna add some of this, just a tad bit. I don't want to add a lot. The black castor and flaxseed oil gel, just a little bit, not a lot. A little dab will do. I am actually gonna try. Y'all know I like to lay my edges as I do my hair so that hopefully it'll like dry that way. Break it into 3 sections. I'm an underhanded braider. Comment below if you plait or braid under or over. And when I do braid outs, I typically try and do them a little chunky, like medium size to a larger size, just because, like, I don't want them to be super big because then I won't have any definition. Oh, that came out. Because I won't have any definition that way. But if you have them too small, then 1, it's going to take a long time to do it, and then 2, it's going to take a long time to take it down. And listen, I don't always have time like that. 2 sections or pieces. Instead of me trying to braid it, I'm just going to twist it. I could try and plait it, but nope. It'll be too hard to try and take it down. Here you go. It's just very small. This, I'm just gonna make this 1 section. I know y'all probably thinking, that's a big section. Girl, because I don't want these sections to be too small, child. Hopefully when I take it down, it'll be pretty much full, but it'll just kind of have a crinkle effect. And we shall see. And if it doesn't, child, I'm gonna wash this hair out. Rinse this hair out because I don't need to wash it again because I just washed it. Or I co-washed it today, but I won't need to wash it again. I'll just need to at least rinse it out, get the product out, and I will start all over and do something else. Because listen, I ain't gonna be out here looking crazy. That's the good thing about doing your own hair, is when stuff don't work out, that's fine. But I bet you I'll rinse it out or wash it out and try over again. Watch me. Dance break. Oh. Okay. I'm giving myself like Pop Smoke vibes right now. So now, every time I look at myself, I'm singing like Pop Smoke songs in my head. Okay. Pop Smoke vibes. What's good? All right, people, so I will show you once my hair is all dried, which the only thing that's really drying is like the gel, because again, I blow dried it beforehand. But I'm gonna wear a scarf or something because, honey, I'm not about to go out looking like this, okay? So I will let my hair dry for a few days, actually. Really let this braid out set in, give it that crinkly look. My hair down in 2 to 3 days, and I will show y'all the finished look. Comment below if you like braid outs, if you hate them, and tell me why. What does it do for your hair? Why do you feel like you struggle with them? Y'all saw my struggles today, honey, because my hair is always uneven when I section it off, so I end up at the very end, I have to make them twist anyway. But I do typically get a better result as far as the curl or wave look within my hair when I use braid outs instead of twist out. So comment below what you prefer. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that today, because listen, I need all the subscriptions, okay? And if you're already watching the video, why not? It helps me out a lot and I appreciate you. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any weekly uploads, and I will see you on the next Main Monday.